Hare Krishna, Dandot Pranam to all Vaishnav devotees. Question is, explain the meaning of Hare Krishna Mahamantra. To know the explanation of Mahamantra, it is necessary to know its source first. In most people, this misconception is that the first mention of Mahamantra is in Kali Santran Upanishad, which is not true at all. Because the mantra given in Kali Santran Upanishad is Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. But the mantra which we got from our Guru Parampara is Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. The mention of Kali Santran Upanishad is mostly given by Mayavadis, saying that this is the mantra of Veda, and Vedic mantras cannot be chanted just like that. There are rules and regulations for them. Therefore, according to them, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu reversed this mantra so that there is no fault in chanting this mantra and everyone can chant this mantra. If this is true, then how did Haridas Thakur chanted Hare Krishna Mahamantra? Because he appeared for Leela before Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Therefore, the example of Kali Santran Upanishad is not correct, and this is not Vaishnav doctrine. The Vaishnava doctrine is that the first mention of Hare Krishna Mahamantra is found in Samat Kumar Samhita, which is much ancient than Kali Santran Upanishad. Even 12,000-year-old Sanat Kumar Samhita is available in the Library of Calcutta. There the method of forming the Mahamantra is given as follow. Hare Krishna Dvir Avrato Krishna Tadrik Tatha Hare Hare Ram Tatha Tadrik Hare Manu Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. The word Hare Krishna is repeated twice. Then Krishna and Hare are repeated separately twice. Similarly, Hare Ram and Hare are also repeated twice. In this way, the mantra is formed. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Gaudiya Math Acharya Param Pujyapad Bhakti Prasad Vishnu Goswami Maharaj Ji has done research on this and proved this matter with scriptural evidence. The second illusion regarding the Mahamantra is that in it, Hare Rama, people tell the meaning of Rama as Lord Shri Ram, whereas Lord Shri Ram is Maryada Purushottam. In Tattva form, he is certainly the form of Shri Krishna, but in Leela form, he is Maryada Purushottam and he can only be seen with Mother Sita Ji. Then the question arises that what is the correct explanation of Hare Krishna Mahamantra? The Hare Krishna Mahamantra has three seeds, Hara, Krishna and Rama. Hara is Radharani. Krishna is all attractive Shri Krishna and Rama is Radha Raman Shri Krishna, meaning the one who does Leela with Radharani, the one who takes pleasure with Radharani. In this way, the complete mantra addressed to Yugal Kishore Radha Krishna. To say in detail, Hara means Radharani. Krishnasya mano harati iti hara. She who steals Krishna's mind, she is called Hara. This indicates Radharani because Radha is Shri Krishna's Haladni Shakti, pleasure-giving power. And she steals Shri Krishna's mind with her beauty, love and leelas. Therefore, Hare is a powerful word that directly addresses the power of the Lord. Jiva Goswami's Mahamantrarth Deepika, it's written Harati Shri Krishna Manaha Krishna Haladni Swarupini Ato Haritayanev Radhika Parikirtita, meaning she who steals Shri Krishna's mind and Krishna's Aladni Swarupni, she is Hara. Therefore, Hare does the kirtan of Radhika only. The meaning of Krishna is he who attracts the mind of Radharani and gopis, attracts and give pleasure. Therefore, Krishna, Hare Krishna. Krishna is the name of Supreme Purushottam Lord. Krishna is the owner of every quality inside and outside the universe, and these qualities are in infinite quantity in Him. In the next Hare Krishna word, the meaning becomes even deeper. In Hare word, Radharani, who gives supreme bliss to Lord Krishna, gives supreme pleasure to the Lord's mind with her services. Therefore, Hare is. Then Krishna, who gives great pleasure to Radharani and Gopis. In the second meaning, Hari is also the name of Lord Krishna. Hari Harati Papani. Hari who steals sins. Therefore, the name of Lord Krishna is Hari. It has also been told that this Mahamantra is chanted by Lord Krishna himself. When Krishna himself does kirtan in the separation of Radharani, then there the meaning becomes Hare means Radhe and Krishna means Radhe. Here Krishna will be the name of Radharani only, because Radharani attracts the mind of Lord Krishna and gives pleasure. When Radharani does kirtan of this name, then there Hare means Krishna, because Krishna is Hari, and Krishna meaning Sri Krishna himself, the one who attracts everybody. The meaning of Rama word is in the same way Radhaya sa ramate iti Rama. He who enjoys with Radharani is Rama. The meaning of Rama is the storehouse of pleasure. In the same way, the Rama words that are further are he who gives pleasure to Radharani's mind, he who gives pleasure to Radharani's senses, and he who gives pleasure to Radharani's sakhis. In this same way, there are four meanings of Rama word. Stav Ratnanidhi is the collection of stotas composed by Raghunath Das Goswami. In Stav Ratnanidhi, he gives a deep explanation of Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Raghunath Das Goswami says in the explanation of the Mahamantra that this mantra expresses the pain of separation of Srimati Radharani from Sri Krishna. When Radhika is separated from Shyam, meaning Sri Krishna, then she becomes absorbed in their memory by chanting the Mahamantra. And from this, in Vipralambha, meaning separation itself, the experience of Sangha, meaning union, happens. The Mahamantra is a prayer that calls Sri Krishna immersed in the emotion of Radharani. First is Hari. O Hari, you steals my mind with the sound of your name and unique sweetness. That's Radharani's emotion for Krishna. Krishna, O Krishna, you attracts everyone with your infinite spiritual pleasure, that is remembrance of Krishna. Then Hari. O Hari, the sweet sound of your flute steals my shyness, patience, fear, and seriousness. It's Radharani's emotion for Krishna. Krishna. O Krishna, your fragrant body pulls me from home to the forest of Raja, tells Krishna's attraction. Then Krishna. O Krishna, seeing me, you pull my sari and attempt me to enter the Nikunja forest. This is the remembrance of Sri Radha Krishna's intimate Leela. In the same way, further remembrance of Krishna, Radha's prayer to Krishna and feeling of union in separation, and Radharani's call for Krishna. Then Ram, Hari Ram, Ram who is Krishna himself, he who does Raman with Radharani, pleasure giving. Then Hari, again Radharani's power. Then Rama, Krishna's pleasure filled Leela. Then Rama, Radha, Krishna's eternal Leela. Then Rama, who is source of pleasure. Hari, seeking the mercy of Srimati Radharani. And in the last Hari, with the final Hari, the completeness of the mantra. This explanation is extremely confidential for Rasikas and is for pure devotees who become absorbed in the service of Radha Krishna by chanting the Mahamantra. Raghunath Das Goswami says that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also chanted this mantra immersed in the emotion of Radharani. In the same way, Jiva Goswami Pad has also explained the Mahamantra in Mahamantrarth Deepika, in which each name is connected to Radha Krishna's Leela. First is Hari, Krishna who steals everyone's mind, but Radharani also steals Krishna's mind with her divine skills. Therefore, she is called Hara. Second is Krishna. He forcefully attracts Srimati Radharani with the sweet sound of his flute. Therefore, the Lord, who is the owner of all enchanting qualities, is called Sri Krishna. Third is Hari. During the Ras Leela, Sri Krishna stole the deer-eyed Radharani and took her to Skiludrid forest Kunja. Therefore, she is called Hara. Fourth is Krishna. When Krishna roamed with Radharani, then Radha's golden color assumes Krishna's black aura. Therefore, he is called Krishna. Fifth is Krishna. To please Srimati Radharani, Krishna manifested the most wonderful lake Shyama Kunda in Vrindavan. Then he called all holy rivers and filled it with it. Therefore, he is called Krishna. Sixth is Krishna. With Radha's incomparable love, she enchants the one who performs wonderful leelas on the bank of Yamuna river. Therefore, sensible person called him Krishna. Seventh is Hari. When in Gokula, Sri Hari Krishna killed the Aristasur demon, then Radha Rani called him with deep emotion and stole his mind. Therefore, she is called Hara. Eighth is Hari. Filled with supreme bliss love, Radha sometimes sings the glory of Hari's Leela softly, sometimes loudly. Therefore, who understand the secret of her divine emotion called her Hara. Ninth is Hari. With Srimati Radharani's deep love, Sri Hari becomes so enchanted that his flute falls from his hands. With the desire to sport in the forest Kunja with Krishna, Radha steals his flute. Therefore, that goddess is famous in the form of Hara. Tenth is Rama. Krishna, who is skilled in embracing, roams with Radharani in the forest Kunja or caves of Govardhan. Therefore, he is called Rama. 11th is Hari. The most merciful Radharani destroys the suffering of her devotees and gives them great happiness every day. Therefore, that goddess is called Hara. 12th is Rama. The minds of devotees drowned in the ocean of supreme bliss, seeing Krishna's beautiful black form. Therefore, he is known by the name Rama. 13th, Rama. Radharani lovingly sports with Achyuta Krishna in a scheduled forest mandapa. Since he always stays with her, therefore he is called Rama. 14th, Rama. When the residents of Gokula were frightened by the forest fire and were crying, then Krishna immediately swallowed it and gave great happiness to his devotees. In this way, he is called Rama. 15th is Hari. Shri Krishna went to Mathurapuri to destroy the demons, but enchanted by Radharani's love, Yashodanandan Krishna stayed in Vraja itself, and Devaki Nandan Krishna went to Mathura. Therefore, she is called Hara. 16th is Hari. When the son of Maharaj Nanda returned to Vraja, he stole the sorrow of all Vrajvasis with his wonderful leelas. He steals Srimati Radharani's heart. Therefore, he is called Hari. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.